Hey, have you seen those really cool bows that are on table toppers or on the tops of trees? And you thought, hey, I can do that. And then you realize, no, I can't. Well, here's Lisa. She's going to show you how.
All right, so we're going to learn how to make a medium-sized bow. You can use one of these bows for a corn stalk if it's still fall. You can put it in a arrangement on your table for Thanksgiving. So we've just got our basic wired ribbon here, so you can see it bends. And we have a 3-yard length of ribbon. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our short piece in the back, and we're going to gather it here in the middle. This is our first loop. We're going to take that front side and we're going to spin it. So now we see the front and the back. We're going to bring it around and we're going to gather it in our hand, and we're going to have 2 loops that are about the same size. Now we're going to take it again and we're going to spin it. And we're going to make another loop just slightly smaller than the first. And we're going to spin it. And a lot of bow making is just learning how to coordinate your hands, which can be difficult at first, but don't give up. Enough practice and you're going to be a pro at this. All your neighbors are going to be asking you to make bows for their wreaths. You're going to make your next loop just slightly smaller than the next, or the last. Flip it again. Bring it up, slightly smaller. Twist. Slightly smaller. Twist. Slightly smaller, until you get to the end of your ribbon, and you're going to end up with one last loop in the middle. Now you're going to take a piece of wire, you're going to put it at the front, right in the middle, pull it around to the back, just like that, and then you are going to twist, twist, twist as hard as you can. So now you have all your loops, and you are just going to start separating. And sometimes this is easier to lay it down on a table to do it, or you can wire it to something to hold on to. And you're just going to start separating your loops and puffing them out. Move them around, spin them, puff them up until you're happy with the way it looks. And then a little more shushing, but you have a basic bow. Now you can attach this to a wreath or in a centerpiece, and once you get it attached, it makes it a little bit easier to start moving your loops around to get it just perfect. So give it a try. It's really not that hard, but if you end up all thumbs and you're a little confused, come on into the garden center and I will be happy to help you make a bow, or I will make them for you. Happy holidays, everybody.